Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best soldering iron. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. YIHUA 926360W LED Display Soldering Iron Station Kit. Introducing the YIHUA 926360W LED Display Soldering Iron Station Kit, a complete soldering solution for electronics repair, DIY projects, and hobbyists. Priced at $39.99, this kit offers excellent value by including multiple accessories that beginners and professionals can use right out of the box. Powerful 60W soldering station with fast heat-up performance. Bright LED display for precise temperature monitoring. Supports degree C/degree F conversion for user convenience. Includes 6 extra soldering tips for different applications. Comes with 2 helping hands, solder sucker, stainless steel tweezers, and lead-free solder. Features auto sleep mode to extend tip life and improve safety. Supports temperature calibration for accurate soldering results. Pros: complete starter kit with useful accessories. Accurate temperature control and LED display. Auto sleep function helps protect the iron tip. Great value for electronics repair and DIY work. Cons: 60W power may be limited for very heavy-duty soldering jobs. Plastic housing feels less premium than higher-end stations. Designed primarily for hobbyists and light professional use. Number 4. Weller YIHUA 1010NA 70W Digital Soldering Station. Meet the Weller YIHUA 1010NA 70W Digital Soldering Station, a professional-grade soldering solution trusted by electronics enthusiasts, technicians, and repair professionals. At $129.25, it's significantly more expensive than entry-level stations, but the premium build quality, precision temperature control, and long-term reliability make it a worthwhile investment. Powerful 70W output for fast heat-up and excellent temperature recovery. Large digital display for accurate temperature monitoring. Precise temperature control for electronics, circuit boards, and repair work. High-performance soldering iron with ergonomic grip for comfortable use. Password-protected settings help prevent accidental temperature changes. Built with Weller's trusted professional-grade quality and durability. ESD-safe design helps protect sensitive electronic components. Easy tip replacement and maintenance for long-term use. Pros: excellent temperature stability and accuracy. Fast heating with strong 70W performance. Durable, professional-grade construction. Comfortable soldering iron for extended work sessions. Trusted Weller reliability and long service life. Cons: higher price than most beginner soldering stations. Fewer included accessories compared to some budget kits. Slightly larger footprint on the workbench. Number 3. YIHUA 926360W Digital Display Soldering Iron Station Kit. Introducing the YIHUA 926360W Digital Display Soldering Iron Station Kit, a complete all-in-one soldering setup designed for beginners, hobbyists, and electronics repair work. At just $39.99, this kit delivers outstanding value by including multiple tools and accessories that you normally have to buy separately. 60W fast heating soldering station for stable performance. Clear digital LED display for real-time temperature control. Supports degree C/degree F switching for user convenience. Includes 6 extra soldering tips for different tasks. Comes with helping hands, solder sucker, tweezers, and lead-free solder. Auto sleep mode helps protect the tip and extend lifespan. Calibration support for better accuracy and control. Compact, lightweight design for easy desk setup and storage. Pros: very affordable complete starter kit. Great accessory bundle for beginners. Auto sleep plus temperature control features. Easy to use and beginner-friendly. Cons: not ideal for heavy industrial or long-hour professional use. Build quality is good but not premium level. 60W power may struggle with very large soldering jobs. Number 2. Liouhoum 80W LCD Digital Soldering Iron Kit. Introducing the Liouhoum 80W LCD Digital Soldering Iron Kit, a fast-heating, beginner-friendly soldering tool designed for basic electronics repair and DIY work. At only $9.98, this is one of the cheapest soldering kits available, offering basic functionality and essential features for absolute beginners on a tight budget. 80W high-power heating with fast heat-up in around 10 seconds. LCD digital temperature display for better control. Adjustable temperature for different soldering tasks. Lightweight and portable design for easy handling. Suitable for electronics repair, learning, and home DIY projects. Simple plug-in AC power operation, 110V. Basic thermostatic control for stable heat performance. Pros. Extremely low price, very budget-friendly. Fast heating performance for quick jobs. Easy for beginners and learners. Lightweight and simple to use. Cons. Build quality is basic and not durable for long-term heavy use. Temperature accuracy may not be very precise. Limited reliability compared to branded soldering stations. Number 1. YIHUA 926-360W LED Display Soldering Iron Station Kit. Introducing the YIHUA 926-360W LED Display Soldering Iron Station Kit, a complete all-in-one soldering solution for DIY electronics and repair work. At just $39.99, this kit delivers excellent value with multiple tools and accessories included, making it perfect for beginners and hobbyists. 60W fast heating performance for stable soldering. Clear LED digital display for precise temperature control. Supports degree C/degree F switching. Includes 6 extra soldering tips for different tasks. Comes with helping hands, solder sucker, tweezers, and lead-free solder. Auto sleep mode helps protect the soldering tip. Temperature calibration support for improved accuracy. Compact and beginner-friendly design for easy setup. Pros. Great value complete soldering kit. Easy to use for beginners. Useful accessories included in the box. Auto sleep and temperature control features. Cons. Not suitable for heavy industrial soldering. Build quality is decent but not premium. 60W power may be limited for large electronics work. If you're interested in this soldering kit, check the link in the description for the latest price. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and buying guides.